Hello and welcome to an introduction to trackers. In this video, we'll review how to add items in columns, filter, group, and save a new view. To start, let's create a new tracker from a template by clicking Create New Tracker. Trackers offers flexibility in how you set one up. You can copy from another project, import data from a spreadsheet, or, as we'll demonstrate, copy from a template. This ensures you can start tracking efficiently with minimal setup time. To remove a tracker, send it to the Tracker Recycle bin. Now that we've created and recycled a new tracker, let's move on to adding items and columns. Use the grip on the left to drag and reorder rows. For this example, let's create a new folder for this row in the linked file room. We'll start by typing a request number where the folder should go. Let's fill in the request name, status, category, and priority. When we select Update Linked File Room from the Manage Tracker menu, a folder with the name of the requested item gets created in the data room location of the request number. Relevant documents can be uploaded using the Documents column, and clicking in the Index Link column brings you to the folder in the data room. Press Home on your keyboard to go to the top of the tracker. Scrolling right, we can see more columns. Next, we're going to add a new column to our tracker. Let's add a new column called Permissions. Permissions is a special column that lets us manage who can see rows in a tracker. In the column settings, we can also toggle columns from view. New columns are created on the far right. By default, rows are public to roles that have access to view, edit, and manage trackers. To change these settings, set a role's feature access in the Permissions tab. Next, let's filter our view for items with an open status. Filters are easy to set and remove. Let's remove this filter for now. We'll reapply it when we save a new view. We can also group rows by columns with repeated content, like status and priority. Groups can also have subgroups. In this example, we could add status or category to see nested groups. Next, we'll save a new view. If there's a hidden column, or if a filter is applied, Save as New View opens in Editor. By filtering for open status and high priority, we can create an efficient way to review important items. In addition to row permissions, we can also restrict access for each view. One of the most useful features is Search This Tracker. Finally, our last topic, Changes, lets us review trackers' history. Drill down for specific changes with filters. And that's a quick introduction to trackers. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.